Can you believe a pacemaker smaller than a rice grain, injected into your body, can dissolve when it's done, no surgery required? This mind-blowing US invention is shaking the world, check it out now. Hey everyone! On April 2, 2025, US scientists dropped a bombshell in Nature magazine, the world's tiniest pacemaker, just 1 millimeter thick and 3.5 millimeters long, smaller than a rice grain. No wires, no battery, it's injected via syringe. And the coolest part? It dissolves into your body when its job is done, skipping invasive surgery to remove it. How does it work? It pairs with a soft patch on your chest. When your heart skips a beat, the patch flashes a light, signaling the device to zap your heart with electric pulses. Power comes from a galvanic battery, using your body's fluids to turn chemical energy into heart-saving jolts. Tests on rats, pigs, dogs, and human heart tissue? Total success. It's perfect for newborns with heart defects or adults recovering from heart surgery, no messy wires needed. John Rogers from Northwestern University, the genius behind it, says, in 2 to 3 years, it could hit human trials. No more risks of infection or tissue damage from pulling out old-school pacemaker wires. Another researcher, Weiji Tian, dreams big. This tech could spark breakthroughs in nerve repair or smart implants. Traditional pacemakers need electrodes sewn into the heart, wired to a chest device. Removing them can hurt. This newbie? Just inject and let it fade away like a superhero after the mission. What do you think of this game changer? Drop a comment. Hit like, subscribe for more wild discoveries.